can we get through?
Timing is everything when planning a dive at this site. We'd been tracking the strong southeast winds over the past few days, hoping clear blue water would blow in and replace the green murk we're so accustomed to diving in. Today, the swell was also relatively low, along with the tide. This made access to the water rather tricky. Kelp is easy to move through when it has plenty of water to suspend it, but virtually impenetrable on a low tide. So a long surface swim was required. Finally, we descend in between the massive granite boulders, and here we're making our way west through the swim-through. Swell's nice and calm for now. We emerged on the west side of the rocks and enjoyed the wonderful visibility. A seal comes to check out our credentials, but allows us to pass without being aggressive, just curious. We then headed northwest to one of 3 anchors that make up the wreckage of a Dutch sailing ship that ran aground here in thick mist in 1698. This anchor lies at about 14 meters deep. Last time I saw it, it was quite bare. Today it was surrounded by kelp and covered in sea life, such as urchins, starfish, sponges and seaweeds. We head back east, enjoying more of the kaleidoscope colours that this dive site is so well known for. Here I'm enjoying watching a large group of fan worms that are fully extended from their tubes to feed on passing plankton. back at the west rock face and preparing to head back east through this gap. How quickly things can change. While some of us have come through this swim through in nice calm water, the rest of my buddies are experiencing quite the opposite. Everyone made it through just fine, a little shaken as the swell had seemingly come out of nowhere. We regrouped, took pictures, and enjoyed the fish. Passing through yet another swim through of the many that make this site fun to explore. By now the incoming tide seems to be adding to the surge, so I relax, take my time, and wait for the strong current to abate. At this point in the dive, we were all feeling the effects of the chilly 10-degree water. A few last shots and we make our way back to shore. Again, the kelp is thick, but the depth here makes it passable. But as the water gets shallower, we're back to struggling, this time to get out.
It's going to be a funny video.
After antics and Herculean effort, we reach the shore. All that remains is a steep climb up through the rocks and back to the road where we're parked. Was the physical effort worth it? I like to think so.